In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Semrush. Deleting a project on this platform is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything is dealt with properly, especially if you want to keep your workspace organized by removing outdated or unnecessary projects. First, you'll need to log into your Semrush account. Once you've accessed the website, enter your credentials on the login page to reach the home screen of your account. This is your central hub from where you can manage various tools and initiatives you have underway. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main projects dashboard. This is a key area where you can view all your existing projects at a glance. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it allows you to access, edit, and in our case, delete projects. Next, you'll need to locate the project you wish to delete from the list available in the project's dashboard. Take your time to carefully identify the correct project, as this action is irreversible. The projects are usually listed in a straightforward manner, and you can use search functions if the dashboard view is extensive. After you've found the correct project, hover over it or look for a gear icon or a three-dot menu that typically appears next to the project title. These icons are designed to provide you with more options when clicked. It might be positioned slightly differently based on the layout, but it is generally easy to spot once you hover over the project. Now click on the delete option from the menu that appears. Be cautious at this point, as selecting the wrong option might lead you elsewhere. The option for deletion is clearly labeled, and you'll typically find it toward the bottom of the drop-down menu. At this stage, a confirmation dialog will show up on your screen. This is an essential step to help prevent accidental deletions. The platform might ask you to type a specific number or code to verify that you indeed want to delete the selected project. This step is a precaution to avoid accidental loss of data. Finally, once you've confirmed and entered any prompted information, click on the final Delete button in the confirmation dialog. This will permanently remove the project from your Semrush account, so make sure you are completely certain about your choice before proceeding. And there you have it. The project has now been deleted from Semrush. Remember, managing your projects effectively keeps your workspace clean and ensures that you're only focusing on active, relevant data. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep your Semrush dashboard organized, and your project management will become that much easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your streamlined workflow.